Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places, and this is Estoy Eddie Viajero, y vamos a explorar, pero esto no se trata de eso. This is not about that, about exploring or going places right now. This is the third video, este es el tercer video, about the update on what's going on in Mexico City. Este es el tercer video sobre como un informe o, ¿cómo se dice? Actualización de lo que está pasando aquí en la Ciudad de México después del terremoto o el temblor fuerte. An update after the strong earthquake or tremor. I don't know what to call it. No sé cómo llamarlo. You guys know more than me. Ustedes saben más que yo. So I'm going towards the BBVA building. Voy hacia el edificio BBVA. Yesterday there were reports that there was smoke coming out of the top part of the building, but some news reports said there was no fire. Ayer había informes de que había humo saliendo de los últimos pisos del edificio BBVA aquí en Ciudad de México, pero esta mañana leí un informe o un reportaje que no era así, pero bueno, no sé, voy a mirar. I'm going to go see and check because those videos were going viral. Esos videos se estaban volviendo viral, but they're saying no, están diciendo que no era así. It wasn't like that. Aquí podemos ver, we can see the BBVA building, that one on the left. Ese es el BBVA. You can't see the sign from here, but right up there it says BBVA. Let me just get a better angle. Vamos a ver un ángulo mejor, mientras que no me piso un carro. As long as I don't get hit by a car or a motorcycle or a bus. That's the BBVA building. You can just barely see the letters. Ahí pueden ver escasamente las letras del BBVA. And here are the other skyscrapers. Aquí están los otros rascacielos. So I don't see any structural damage. Ouch, that was loud. No veo ninguna daños estructurales at the moment. I don't see anything like that. Everything seems to be normal. La vida sigue como normal por aquí en Ciudad de México. You saw it in the second update. Lo vieron en el segundo informe o actualización en el metro. Mucha gente en el metro, mucha gente a esta hora de la mañana. A lot of people on the metro at this hour of the morning, 9 a.m. People going to work. This is like in the States. People go to work from 9 to 5. Esto es como en Estados Unidos. La gente va a trabajar de 9 a 5. De 9 a 5 de la tarde. And it was overcrowded. The train was delayed. I had to wait for the second train. Tuve que esperar el segundo tren because I couldn't get on that one. It was just busy. Jam-packed. I'm looking in the wrong direction. So we're near Paseo de la Reforma. Estamos cerca al Paseo de la Reforma. Chilaquiles. Well, let's change the menu for a moment. Chilaquiles are very good. Los chilaquiles son muy buenos. I ate the other day with my friend Fin del Mundo. What's up, Fin? Comí con mi amigo Fin del Mundo. Valen a 50 pesos sencillos. 50 pesos for the regular ones. Monday through Wednesday. They're good. They're eggs with tortilla chips and some sauce. Son chilaquiles, son huevos con chips, pues así, chips, ¿cómo se dice? Nachos o algo así, y salsa. So we're just walking through. Everybody's having breakfast. It's only like about 9:25 in the morning, son apenas como las 9:25 de la mañana. So some people were asking me, hey, Benito Juárez, the neighborhood, ¿qué pasó con el barrio de Benito Juárez en Ciudad de México, en Mexico City? I'm reading reports. Estoy leyendo informes esta mañana. I was reading reports. And everything is normal in Mexico City. Todo está normal, básicamente. I think there was only one person that died so far in the news here in Mexico City. Solamente hay como una persona que se murió en las noticias que me dio mi hermano. But I haven't seen any reports. No he visto informes sobre muertes. The New York Life building is all the way over there. New York Life. All the way over there at the end. Ahí está el edificio New York Life. And yeah, you just see people drinking coffee, having a snack, having a smoke. Usted ve la gente teniendo una vida normal, fumándose un cigarrillo, tomando café, tinto, los que están haciendo los tacos guisados, people making the tacos guisados. It's a normal life. And here are the other high-rise buildings. This is like the financial district with these high-rise buildings. The Dan, the Carlton, the Ritz-Carlton is right over there. El Hotel Edificio Ritz-Carlton is right over there. That one, next to that one. I don't know what that's called. I don't know what that one's called. No sé cómo se llama ese ni ese. Estamos aquí where it says Teatro Moisés Callejas. Juan Moisés. This is a theater. Juan Moisés Calleja. Okay, I'm using the gimbal so it's better. So that's the BBVA building. BBVA is the bank around the world, in Colombia, here in Mexico. I don't know where else, but it's in many places. I just don't know where. This is Paseo de la Reforma. Este es Paseo de la Reforma here. And everything is normal. Todo está normal. Okay, as I was saying, the neighborhoods here, las colonias, in Mexico City and Ciudad de Mexico, it was just last night. People were scared. People were running out into the street and forgetting their masks, their covers for the face, for the mouth and nose. I was one of them, as you saw. I was one of them. I wasn't going to look for that thing. I just put on my pants, got my ID, cell phone, and put on my sneaks and ran out. And that was it. My ID, my credit cards, in case something crazy happened, I wouldn't be, high and dry. Yo fui uno de esos que se me olvidó la mascarilla, el cubrebocas, el tapabocas. Yo salí, mucha gente fue así. And there was no social distancing. People were just so scared. No había distanciamiento social. La gente estaba con tanto miedo que estaban juntos, familias y amigos. People were just together, friends and family, just like talking, some people were praying. Algunas personas estaban rezando que Dios o Jesucristo, Dios, God, Jesus Christ, and stuff. And Chapultepec Park is right over there. And there's a big monument over there as well, but everything seems to be normal. Todo parece estar bien. Todos los barrios están bien. All the colonias are good so far, hasta el momento. We have to wait for the day to continue to get more information. Tenemos que esperar que el día continúe para recibir más información. And, but I can't tell you more than what I know already at this moment. No les puedo decir más de lo que sé hasta este momento. It was a 7.1 earthquake on the Richter scale. The epicenter was somewhere like 13 kilometers southeast of Acapulco. El epicentro del terremoto fue a 13 kilómetros al sur oriente de Acapulco, in the state of Guerrero, en el estado de Guerrero. I'm Colombian American. Some of you are asking, why does this guy speak English if he lives in Mexico or he's Mexican? I'm not a Mexican. I'm a Colombian American, and I'm traveling through Mexico. Yo no soy mexicano, soy colombiano americano. Estoy viajando por México. La gente de México es muy chido, muy padre. People in Mexico are very cool, very awesome people. So, I love Mexico. I like it. I love it. Me encanta, me gusta México. It's very nice to travel through here. So, that's it. I'll give you more reports, or you probably see them on the news. Los verán en las noticias, los reportes, but everything seems to be normal. Todo parece estar normal, but of course people were afraid. La gente tenía miedo. And with that, I'll let you go for now. I'm not saying the normal things I say when I make these vlogs, because these 3 that I have done today are just because people ask me to keep them updated. Yo estoy haciendo estos 3 videos hoy porque la gente me pidió que hiciera los vlogs, los informes como qué está pasando. So that's what I did. People are just doing their normal thing. Entonces, I'll let you go for now. Stay safe, stay blessed. Manténganse bendecidos, manténganse a salvo, seguros. And my prayers, mis oraciones van para todas las personas afectadas. And my prayers go out to all the affected people. Oh, and one more thing. There was a lot of heavy rain on Monday and Tuesday in the state of Hidalgo. And here, Hidalgo is north of Mexico City, like 2 hours by car, depending on where you're going. Hubo mucha lluvia, fuertes lluvias en el estado de Hidalgo, a 2 horas al norte de Ciudad de México. Y hubo inundaciones, there were floodings, there were a lot of floods, and a lot of people died. Mucha gente murió. Like 17 people died in a hospital. I don't know for what reason, if it was because they drowned or their respiratories were offline because there was no electricity, I don't know. 17 personas murieron en un hospital en el estado de Hidalgo, creo que fue en Tula, de Allende, no sé, no estoy seguro, I don't know. Pero dicen que 17 personas murieron, pero no sé si fue porque se ahogaron en el hospital por las inundaciones que están en el primer piso y allá las inundaciones son muy fuertes, o si fue porque se fue la luz, porque también se fue la luz allá. There was no electricity there in that hospital in Hidalgo, the state of Hidalgo. I don't remember where exactly. And maybe the respiratory devices, the things for breathing. I forgot what you call them. I'm sorry. So those people couldn't breathe. I don't know. My prayers go out to those families. Mis oraciones van para esas familias que perdieron a sus seres queridos. My prayers go out to those families that lost loved ones because of those floods up in Hidalgo. And there was a lot of flooding here too yesterday. I was in Tepito, near Centro Histórico, and it rained so heavily. I hadn't seen rain like that in a long time. Había mucha agua. So goodbye. That was it. Sorry to talk so much. Me disculpo por hablar tanto, pero no sé qué más decir. Bendiciones a todos los mexicanos y a todas las personas del mundo. Blessings to all the people in Mexico, all the Mexicans, and all the people in the world.